right now. The government of India has received a report from the intelligence agencies, which is in possession of India today as well, claiming that the ultra-left leaders and pro-left-wing extremist elements have hijacked the farmers' agitation. Intelligence report says that they are credible intelligence inputs to indicate these elements are planning to instigate the farmers to indulge in violence, arson and damage public property in the coming days.
It is a matter of deep concern for me. While we have been very open to having a dialogue with the farmer unions, the dialogue is going on. My ministerial friends are talking to them, the government has an open mind. But I see a very sinister design to hijack the whole movement. Be it the Khalistani element, I believe it is not right. But there is enough evidence available that Tukde Tukde gang is seeking to overtake, fulfill their own agenda. Come on, there are people who are suffering judicial process. Their bails are being rejected because of the evidence available in the prosecution case against them. And there are serious charges. And their photo frames are being displayed as if to show them as victims and trying to literally exploit the farmers' union for their own extraneous cause. That is very, very unfair.
Rahul Srivastav, National Affairs Editor, India Today, is joining me with more details on this. Rahul, while the government claims that there is a credible intelligence that the left-wing extremist organizations are taking over or hijacking the movement, the fact is, and I just spoke to Rakesh Tikait, and he said, we don't worry about these things. You don't see any leftists here. The fact, he says, that these are the ways that the government tries to break a movement as it is getting stronger.
Yes, Ankit, I think both the government and Tikait are right. Why I say that this information that there are several unions which are part of this agitation who have a direct affiliation to CPIML Liberation or certain aggressive strident left groups. This was a fact known to the government. Still they were invited to the talks with the government. So the government was accommodating even then them primarily because they were part of the core group as far as the agitation is concerned, and the government was not talking about them being Tukde Tukde gang or backers of the extreme left wing. Now that the talks have broken down, these intelligence reports are out, the Law Minister has made a scathing statement that the movement is being hijacked. The idea, Ankit, is very simple. The first attempt now is to create the sense of doubt and isolate those who are more strident as far as the demand for repealing is concerned and empower those who are pursuing the middle path. That way, perhaps the government hopes that there could be the division or fissure could well be the first step towards the resumption of dialogue at least, not perhaps the end of the struggle. On the other hand, if you notice, today the BJP has declared that it's going to carry out a nationwide campaign in favor of the farm bills. 100-odd Kisan Sammelans, 718.
Rahul, I will talk about that. Hold on. I need to give more information to our viewers on that, and I'm just going to come back to you on that as well. I wanted to speak to you on this information campaign that the government wants to start as well. But the fact, Rahul, at this point of time, the farmers see